Hi guys. Let's see. Today's video is going to be the 24th video. Well, not video, 24th artist trading card. And you can see I've got a whole bunch of backgrounds and stuff out here on my desk. I'm looking at them and saying I really like this because of the shimmer that's in this. This is an alcohol ink on some watercolor. You can see I did some texture on the back side, so I could go either way with this card, but I think I'm going to start with this today. You know how much I love my artist trading card stencils from Stencil Girl, and I love this image with the people that look like they're dancing in the wind. So I think I'm going to choose that for today. And I'm going to use a product that was given me. It's called, it's an Ann Butler product from Ann Butler Designs. It's Iridescence, and it's like a paint, but it's a almost dimensional, creamy stuff. Let's see if I can get this open. So I think I'm going to use, I haven't used this color yet, so I'm going to use this today because I need to use something different, right? So let me get this opened up. See if I can do it without having paint all over me. No such luck, right? Okay. Oh, whatever it takes, right? Whatever it takes. I've got a little bit on me. So I'm going to wipe that off. And then I'm going to position my stencil and just get a little bit of that dimensional type paint on a dauber. This is just a little sponge tool. I'm trying to get most of it off of here because I don't really want it that thick. I just want to have enough to stencil with. Probably should have taped this down, but I didn't, because I like to fly by the seat of my pants. Okay, so I've got enough paint on there. Let's see what it did. Yeah, I like that. Looks like, where's my brush? Looks like I could have gone underneath the stencil here a little bit. I don't know if this is going to fix it or make it worse. Looks like it's just making it worse. So that's okay. Gonna make a little shadow here along the body of this dancer with this purple paint. See if I can get a little more along the body here. That's pretty dark. Oh, make a hot mess. Make a hot mess in the morning, right? It is about, what time is it? About 6:30 here. And I'm playing around because I couldn't sleep last night. And I thought, oh, just go make some ATCs. Just go make some ATCs. Yeah, so I like it. Still didn't do exactly what I wanted because I made a mess over here. So what am I going to do? I'm not going to let that bother me. I'm going to clean this off. I've got a card here that's pretty cool. Should probably clean that purple off on the edge of this. I had another card I started. I wonder what I did with that. It had dimensional textural stuff on it. I should find it. Too much stuff on my desk. Wonder where I put it. Well, it probably won't be in today's video because it's not popping out at me. Oh, there it is. Okay. This one. I put some of that blue stuff on here. I need to finish that card out too. Okay. So this needs to dry. This needs a little bit of cleaning. So I'm just going to grab a towel here. Clean that off. Those little characters can become part of something else later. Okay, now because this is paint and it's a dark color, I want to add something that's a light color. So let me get a pen. It's too big. Here, let me get this pen and go back to our stencil, see if it's dry. Not quite. Make sure I'm drying it off here. And oh, the other way around. Here we go. I'm going to line that back up. This might be too thick. We'll see. Just gonna mix that paint a little bit. It doesn't seem to be flowing out very white. Flows better on the plastic than it does on the paint. Okay, there we go. Now we're starting to see it. All right. One more. Get this little figure down here. They just look so happy, like they're dancing. Flitting and floating and kind of like butterflies. I should put butterfly wings on them. That would be a good thing, right? Okay, not a real happy camper with that either, but it is what it is. And what do I have? Well, I went in search of butterfly wings, but I didn't really find what I was looking for. So, that being said, I'm going to take my little brush and load it up with some of this stuff. Oh boy. Wet again. Try a drier brush. Okay. Gotta dry that down. But I wonder if I have a Posca in a purple. How close is this? Not bad. Let's dry this. Get our white pen. Let's see, what do I have? I've got a jelly roll here. Let's see if it'll write on here. Oh yes, it will. Well, it did. For about 2 seconds. Let's see if I can get it to revive. Nope, killed it. All right, probably have another one here somewhere. Oh, they just don't like anything wet. Okay. Let's see what this purple is like. Use your wings. Use your wings. Get a little glue. And get it on crooked. And probably should have cut that down, which I'll do with this one. I don't know if I can get that up. Might still be wet enough. I can get it back up. I don't know. Come on. Don't be stubborn. Ah! This glue is good glue. Come on. There we go. Why I'm doing that? Well, because I just think that this is a little bit large. So I'm going to trim it out. Of course, it helps if you trim straight too. And I like that better because it's not so big, but now I got this one stuck down. So, safe and fly. And I was flying upside down there. Okay. Do a little outlining here. Tie it all together. And there we have it. Use your wings and fly. Thanks, guys. See you again next time.